Welcome everyone to another crypto setups tutorial. I just wanted to do a quick video today and take you through navigation of MetaMask, the MetaMask wallet. Now, I created a video on how to install it, but I didn't spend too much time on how you navigate around, what all the settings are and things like that. So I wanted to do one just so that everyone feels a bit not a bit, very confident when they're using the MetaMask wallet. And if they click on things, they're not worried that anything's going wrong. So as you can see from previous, I have it installed. I have this time added my one of my wallets in there just so that I can show you a few things about the wallet. So first things first, when you load it up, it'll always load up like this. It's great when you're interacting with the website. If you're on a decentralized Web3 site and trying to log into it, it's fantastic. But if you kind of just want a full screen view, all you need to do is go into the three dots here and click expand view. It'll open it into a new window. Otherwise, it'll always keep bringing it up as an overlay on the website. Second, here we go, it is your account balance and any tokens it picks up that you have. So you can see over here I have Ethereum and then I have $4 of USDC, which is a stable coin. Now, one thing to call out, so when it comes to Ethereum, majority of the tokens are called an ERC20 token. If they're an ERC20 token, it is your default Ethereum address that you use. It will automatically come into your Ethereum wallet. You don't need a separate address per any ERC20 tokens. They all fall under the same address. So if I click over here and click on account details, I've got my full address with the QR code. Over here, great. If you wanted to name your wallet, you can actually edit it and so that instead of seeing account 1, you call it whatever you like. I'll just leave this for now as account 1. If you click view on Etherscan, what this does is it'll load up your wallet on Etherscan, which is basically pulling information off the Ethereum blockchain. So it will show you what you have on there, all your transactions and those kind of things. I'll spend some time later on Etherscan, but for now we'll focus on the wallet. The export private key. So this is something you should never do. It's just like your seed phrase. If you export your private keys, which is slightly different to a free seed phrase, but it does the same thing. A private key is just a string of letters. You can use this private key to restore your wallet or on a different computer. However, again, ensure you don't just export it and have it lying around. Keep it safely. But if you have secured your seed phrase correctly and made multiple copies, you will be fine just using that to restore your wallet. So I'll close this. Over here, the activity, if I had some activity since I've installed this wallet, that's why there's no activity. In the past I would have had activity, but I've just restored this wallet onto this browser, so there's no activity since I've done the restore. When clicking up here, you can see it's got another wallet. If you have created a wallet and then done a restore later, it will show both the wallets, which you can tick through, and it gives you some options if you wanted to create a new account, which would be another wallet, or import another wallet you may have, and also if you wanted to connect a hardware wallet, you'll hear these. You'll hear a lot about hardware wallets that they're integrated. Majority of the wallets give you this function of connecting up your hard wallet so that you can see what you have and use the interface and manage your coins accordingly. Now, if you wanted to send, you literally would click on, if it's ETH, you can send, you can add the receipt, who you want to send it to, and click send. You can also note down if you had, like I showed you before, there was the accounts that were there. You could transfer between accounts. You would pay a fee when you're transferring tokens between accounts. Go and cancel this. Again, if you wanted to supply your address to anyone, a simple click over here will copy it and you can paste it. And I'll give you a great example. Over here, paste. What I just copied, it's got the address there. And as you can see, as soon as you paste an address, it asks you what asset you want to send and the amount. Over here is the transaction fee. So if you recall, I have mentioned a few times that you pay a transaction fee when you need to send Ethereum or anything you need to do. If you interact with the Web3 website, you pay a fee if you're doing something. Now, depending on how quickly you want it to get processed, you can pay a lower fee and it takes longer, or average normal speed, and if you speed it up it will usually be a lot quicker. You can click on advanced options and speed it up further, and it will tell you, as you can see, if we spend this much, which is equating to 0.003 ETH, around $1, $1.10, it would take around 23 seconds to get that transaction through. So again, not going into any more detail there, just giving brief navigations on the different screens you'll see. Now the last part is you want to add a token. So you know you have a token in the wallet and it's not getting populated. You can simply search for the token that you want. So over here in this example, it hasn't brought up my token, and that's okay. If it hasn't brought up the token, what you can do is actually add it by getting the contract address and pasting it in here from Etherscan. So okay, so what I'll do is I'll add a custom token so that we can see how it works. I'll go to add a token. I know the symbol is it's a balancer, the token I want to add. I know it's BAL. I've typed it in and it hasn't populated on the list. That's okay. I'll click on custom token. Now, I have found the balancer token on Etherscan. I will copy the address, paste it. As you can see, as soon as I put the address in, it populates the rest because it's pulled that information straight from the blockchain. Click next. As you can see, this is a great example. I had this token, the wallet did not show it. However, once I've added it, my tokens have popped up right away. And there we go. That's how you add a custom token. And now if I wanted to send this, I would literally hit send, the wallet I want to send it to, and off it goes. The final thing I wanted to show, so if you set up a new wallet, MetaMask now has a buy functionality, which either you can transfer from another wallet or you can use some of the on-ramps that they have integrated into the wallet. So you can go about this way using your credit card, debit card, and put some funds in there. Just be warned that there are substantial fees, not substantial, they're decent fees, 2.5 to 5% on these kind of transactions. So if you have, I had created a tutorial on how to create an account on Binance and purchase your cryptocurrency and then send it through to your wallet. So if you're unsure, do check that tutorial out, and it'll show you how to go about things there. But yeah, that's very a quick summary on everything about MetaMask. And look, this is your primary wallet now you will use to navigate all things in the Ethereum ecosystem. So it's a really good idea to have confidence about where things are in the wallet and how you use it, so that you don't worry when you're using the very different protocols. Again, just want to thank everyone for watching, and if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments and I'll attempt to answer anything I can. Appreciate everyone tuning in. Thanks a lot.